Hello there. Today I want to show you how I and you two can mill keycaps for a mechanical keyboard. I mainly want to try it once to see how it sounds and feels when typing. The key I will be replacing is the Windows key because I use Linux and not Windows. I might create a complete set if the workload is manageable and I am satisfied with the results. So let's start directly. First, I searched for a suitable 3D model. I usually use the website Printables for this, even though it's mainly for 3D printing, not CNC milling. When choosing a keycap or keycap set, be sure their stems match your keyboards. After selecting and downloading a model, I imported it into Keycap, a web-based CAM software, to generate machine code for my CNC-Mill. I won't delve deeply into Keycap in this video, but you can find many helpful tutorials on YouTube if needed. I had lots of problems with milling. Let's talk about milling the
with the
keycaps.
first side.
It's quite tricky as you can't
At the
just
start,
do it in one
I
go.
only held it down with some dowels and
steps.
tape and 3D printed
I'll mill it upside down first and then flip it so it always has a nice side to lie on. I then had a successful go milling one side, but although I'm not entirely sure what happened,
I think it got loose again and I then hit the nail while milling. All the wood I am using is not newly bought stock, but just some old yet nice looking stuff I had lying around, so hitting a nail is possible. I then changed my clamping method because my workpiece can loose twice already. I created a 3D printed mount for a standard woodworking clamp. I used different sized bits for milling in my last attempt to both save time and prevent them from breaking. I used a 2mm and a 0.5mm end mill for the underside, and a 1.5mm bit for roughing and a 0.8mm bit for contouring on the upper side.
And now I've finally got everything working with the new clamping method.
As mentioned, I added small dog bones to keep the keycap in place while milling. Removing them was quite a hassle and I even broke a small piece of the keycap off in the process. Thankfully, it's not very noticeable now. After some sanding and oiling, it now looks and feels somewhat professional. Putting it onto my keyboard, I've got to say it sounds and feels really nice now. I do have an idea to eliminate the need for dog bones in the future. I plan to create a small negative of the stem to attach the keycap for milling the second side.
I will probably make more keycaps in the future, and if I do, I will try out this idea. But I want to stop this video now. So, thanks for watching, and have a nice day.